Welcome to my kitchen. Right now we're going to make an apple pie. If you haven't had a chance to watch the video series about making a basic pie crust, check out my channel and look for the making the basic pie crust recipe. And once you finish that, you'll have a piece of dough just like this. So we've got our dough here, and basically we're going to take this and cut this in half with our bench knife and set one half aside, and we're going to take this half here and roll it out, and we're going to make this the bottom of our two crust pie for apple. This recipe will easily make enough for two crusts, you know, a top and a bottom for a 9-inch pie plate. So that's just to give you an idea for quantities. So when I start out, I just try to kind of take this piece of dough, flatten it a little bit with my hand, and also kind of turn it while flattening and basically make it into a round. The rounder you can get it at this stage, and it's a little sticky, so I'm just going to add a little flour. The rounder you can get it before you start rolling it out, the easier it is. Just pressing, and that's pretty good. I'm also going to just kind of really now start to press more in the center than on the sides with this part of my hand, and I'm basically just trying to kind of get that to flatten out even more before I hit it with the rolling pin. Alright, so you grab your rolling pin. By the way, this is just a pastry cloth, very handy if you're going to be doing pies. Alright, so get some flour on my rolling pin here, and now I'm just basically going to go from the center out and around in a circle. And I'm aiming for, you know, somewhere around, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch or 1/16 of an inch or something like that. Just going to add a little bit of flour. You can do that occasionally to keep it from sticking. Center out, center out, center out. Occasionally I'll grab the whole thing and flip it over. Give it a little flour. Flip it again. But what we'll do in a little bit here is we're going to take our pie plate, and we're going to turn it over and set it on top. We're doing fine, okay, because we really only need about an inch out from here. We really only need about an inch's worth of material, so we actually have quite a lot here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all the way around 1 inch away from the rim of the pie, just like this. You don't have to be perfect. Don't worry about being perfect. Great. All right. Take your scrap away. Save that for making pinwheels. Okay. Use your knife. Pick that guy up, put him over there. Okay, a word about tools. This is a fantastic tool. It's called a giant spatula. You can get it at most chef's catalogs or baker's catalogs. This is just a fantastic tool, and I love using this. It's essential for doing pies. But so what we're going to do is I'm going to now take this and put it in. By the way, if you don't have one, the best way to get this in here, let's just do this time, is to put your rolling pin on top, pick this guy up, roll it onto your rolling pin, and slide it on top like that by unrolling. So, but if you have one of these, it's really nice. You can just do it in one fell swoop. Alright, now don't be scared. This is going to be fine. We're just going to put this on here, and we're just kind of pushing in, pushing in, pushing in. We basically want to try to get this as centered as possible. Kind of gently pressing down inside here. And there we go. Okay, that is now ready for our next step, which will be to slice up our apples and fill the shell.